Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review and analyze the latest gadgets and tech accessories. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss, the PEIOUS wireless keyboard and mouse combo in a stylish white color. In this video, we'll go over the key features, benefits, and our overall thoughts on this ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo. One of the standout features of the PEIOUS combo is its ergonomic design. The keyboard features an integrated palm rest, ensuring long-lasting comfort during extended typing sessions. The mouse is also designed with ergonomics in mind, providing a comfortable grip for your hand. This combo offers a smooth typing experience with low-profile silent keys. The keys have a soft and quiet keystroke, making it perfect for quiet work environments or late-night typing. Additionally, the adjustable angle and anti-slip rubber pad enhance your typing comfort. The PEIOUS combo uses a single USB receiver for both the keyboard and mouse. This means you can enjoy a clutter-free workspace and easy setup by plugging the receiver into your PC or laptop. The receiver conveniently stores on the back of the keyboard when not in use. The keyboard comes with a full-size layout, including a numeric pad and isolated keys for efficient work. It also features multimedia keys, allowing you to adjust volume, search, and open emails with just a click. This combination of features makes it ideal for both work and entertainment. The PEIOUS combo offers a 2.4G wireless connection, ensuring a stable and strong connection. You won't experience lag or connectivity issues, providing a hassle-free typing experience. Say goodbye to the tangle of wires on your desk. You can find this PEIOUS wireless keyboard and mouse combo in white on Amazon.com for just $39.99, a 7% discount from the list price of $42.99. Plus, if you're an Amazon Visa cardholder, you can get an instant $50 off upon approval, making it an even better deal. In conclusion, the PEIOUS wireless keyboard and mouse combo offers a fantastic combination of comfort, convenience, and affordability. Whether you're working on important projects or simply browsing the web, this combo has got you covered. If you're in the market for a reliable wireless keyboard and mouse, this one is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the PEIOUS wireless keyboard and mouse combo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.